In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Bybit account password. To get started, head to the Bybit homepage. On the top right, click Login to bring up the sign-in window. Instead of entering your details, choose Forgot Password. This takes you straight into the recovery flow, which is the fastest way to regain access if you can't remember your credentials. You'll be asked for the email address or mobile number you registered with. Type in the one linked to your account and click Next. If you're using a phone number, make sure the correct country or region code is selected. Using the exact contact you originally signed up with helps Bybit find your account instantly and avoids delays. Next, check your inbox or text messages for a verification code. This one-time code confirms it's really you. Codes typically expire after a short time, so open the message as soon as it arrives, and if you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. If needed, use the resend option and keep that code private. Never share it with anyone. Once you enter the code, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally a long passphrase or a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites. Type it once, confirm it a second time to prevent typos, and submit. In many cases, you'll be signed in automatically after this reset. If not, log in with your new password. After you're back in your account, it's a good idea to open your profile icon and go to Security. This is your central hub for all login protections and account safeguards. From here, select Change Password. Even though you've just reset it, this screen is useful to verify everything is set exactly how you want, and it's the place you'll return to anytime you want to rotate your password from within your account. Enter your current password, the one you just created, then enter your new choice and confirm it. This step makes sure your changes applied cleanly across sessions and devices. When you're done, save your changes. If your browser or password manager offers to update the saved password, accept that update so your future sign-ins are seamless. And if you've used Bybit on a shared or public device in the past, consider signing out everywhere to keep your account secure. That's it. You've reset your Bybit account password, confirmed it in security, and you're ready to sign in confidently going forward. If you ever run into issues with verification codes or contact details, revisit the same flow and ensure you're using the registered email or number. Thanks for watching.